is your money working in the right place, or are you risking your investment by investing in one asset class only? In the world of investment, diversification is the secret to minimize risk and maximize return. In today's video, I'm going to show you how the right diversification strategy can safeguard your investment and multiply your profit. So watch till the end because this video is packed with tips and strategy that can transform your investment journey. For that, I am sharing the mind map. Yes, diversified portfolio. At first, introduction. What is diversification portfolio? Definition of a diversified portfolio. Diversified portfolio, if you are going to invest in one asset class, that is not diversified portfolio. It means you are taking so much risk. If something is going to happen in that asset class, it means your money is going to block. So you need to invest in different kind of asset class. So what kind of asset class you can invest? There are mainly 5 types of asset class. One is stock, share market. Second is bond. There are number different kinds of bond, government bond, private companies bond, sovereign gold bond, REITs. You can invest anywhere. Real estate. If you want to invest in real estate, you can buy agricultural land, industrial land, residential land. You can invest directly in the property, or you can invest in REIT as well. REIT is the also way to invest in real estate. You must have cash, and you can put your cash in saving account or fixed deposit. Gold and silver is also a very good asset class, and whenever we face any war kind of challenge in any area of the world, any region of the world, we face that during that time, during that phase, our stock market become panics, and our stock market face a downtrend or consolidation phase. That time, the price of gold and silver increases. So if our investment will be in gold and silver as well, then definitely our portfolio will be growing in that kind of different situation. Industry. If you are investing in share market, you should not invest your whole capital in one industry like pharma industry. If you are putting whole money in the pharma, and if pharma sector is not growing, it means your money is going to block. So you need to invest in different industry. Like you can invest in pharma, you can invest in banking sector, you can invest in chemical, geographic region. When you are creating your portfolio, analyze the revenue of the company. If revenue is coming from the one country only, it means this is not the proper diversification. It should be like some companies going earning from taking revenue from India, that is called domestic. And if you have 15 companies in your portfolio, and every company are generating revenue from the India, and something is going on in our country, it means that year your portfolio will show negative return or it will be in consolidation. So you should invest in the company from different geography. They are earning from the different geography. Time. If you are going to invest lump sum amount, it is not a good way. You should invest in a tranches in 1 year or in 6 months. Monthly tranches you can you should there should be a strategy for the 6 month or 1 year strategy. Importance in reducing investment risk. Yes, you can reduce your risk by the diversification. Common myth. This is the common myth. More diversification means less profit. No, this is not the way. Diversification is crucial. Yeah, over diversification is not good. Benefit of diversification. There are three benefits mainly. One is risk reduction, minimize impact of market volatility, and reduces dependency on a single asset class. Second benefit is steady returns, balance losses with gain across assets. And the second is increases long-term wealth stability. Third is protection against inflation. If you have put your money in a diversification way, definitely you are protecting your investment against inflation. Diverse assets like gold, real estate hedge against inflation. So when you are going to invest your money in stock market, you must invest your some percentage of your capital in gold as well as real estate. Yes. Now understand types of diversification. There are three types of diversification. One is across asset class. Across asset class means you can put your money in stocks, in bonds, gold, and real estate. And within asset class, if you are going to invest in stocks, so in within stocks investment, you should put your money in different sector and different geography, as I told you earlier. Time diversification. Yeah, time diversification is SIP approach, tranche approach is required. Now understand sign of poor diversification. If your investment is over concentration in one sector or one assets class, that is a sign of poor diversification. Second is excessive focus on domestic market only. If you have 15 companies in your portfolio and every company are domestic type, revenue from domestic only, this is the poor sign of your diversification. Ignoring alternative investment, bond or REITs. If you are not investing in bond or REITs, then this is also a sign of poor diversification. Risk of over diversification. Diluted return due to excessive investment. If you have over diversification, then definitely your profit is going to reduce. Harder to track. It will be very harder to manage your investment. And increased cost. Definitely the cost of the fund management charge or fee, transaction fee, that will be growing. How to start diversifying? Now this is the action, call to action time. Assess current portfolio. At first, do the assessment. What is the condition of your current portfolio? If it is already diversified, then there is no need to do anything. But if it is not well diversified, then you need to do something. Identify what is the gap, where is the gap, and just take the action. Set financial goal. At first decide what is your financial goal, and that financial goal is aligned with your strategy already. Whatever you have is your strategy, diversifying strategy. If it is not, then definitely take the action along according to that. Gradual implementation. If your portfolio is not diversified, then don't be panic and don't take single month action. So it will not work. So do step by step allocation rather than complete overhaul. Now coming to the last part, that is conclusion. What is the conclusion? Diversification is key to optimizing return and reducing risk. A well-balanced portfolio grows wealth sustainably. Are you truly leveraging diversification or leaving money on the table? Definitely ask this question from you. So you are taking leverage of diversification or not? So this that's all from my side. This was the video for diversification. I hope you like my video. If you have any query, just put your query in the comment box and share me which how, like, if your portfolio is already diversified, then what kind of diversification are you doing? In which asset class have you invested? Just share in the comment box, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much to all of you.